Imagine waking up in the middle of the night. The ground begins to shake, the lights go out. Your phone sounds an emergency alert. Outside, floodwaters are rising. Powerful winds are tearing roofs from buildings. Or a wildfire is racing toward your neighborhood. Disasters can happen almost anywhere. Typhoons, floods, earthquakes, landslides, wildfires, tsunamis. The question isn't whether disasters exist. The question is, are we prepared? The good news is this: preparation saves lives. In this video, you'll learn exactly what to do before, during, and after a disaster to help protect yourself and your family. Chapter 1: Why Disaster? Preparedness matters. Every year, natural disasters affect millions of people around the world. Extreme weather, earthquakes, floods, and wildfires can destroy homes, damage infrastructure, interrupt communication, and force communities to evacuate. While we cannot prevent natural hazards from occurring, we can reduce their impact through preparation. Prepared communities recover faster. Prepared families make better decisions. Prepared individuals are less likely to panic. Knowledge is one of the most powerful survival tools we have. Chapter 2: Before a disaster. The best time to prepare is before disaster strikes. Build an emergency kit. Prepare supplies that can support your family for at least 72 hours. Include drinking water, non-perishable food, flashlights, power banks, first aid kit, and baby supplies if needed. Don't forget important documents in waterproof bags, cash in small denominations, a whistle, and pet supplies. Store your emergency kit in an easily accessible location. Know your risks. Different regions face different hazards. If you live near the coast, understand your tsunami and storm surge evacuation routes. If you live near rivers, know your flood risk. If you live in mountainous areas, learn about landslide hazards. If you live in earthquake-prone regions, identify safe places inside your home. Create a family emergency plan. Every family should know where to meet if separated and who to contact, where emergency shelters are located. How to evacuate safely. Practice your plan regularly. Children should know emergency phone numbers. Stay informed. Follow your National Meteorological Service, Emergency Management Agency, and trusted news sources. Chapter 3: During a typhoon or hurricane, bring loose outdoor items indoors. Charge phones and backup batteries. Prepare clean drinking water. Stay away from windows. Remain indoors unless authorities instruct you to evacuate. Never drive through floodwaters. Just 30 centimeters of moving water can sweep away a small car. If evacuation orders are issued, leave immediately. Delaying evacuation can put your life and emergency responders at greater risk. Chapter 4: During floods and landslides. Floodwaters may appear calm, but they can hide powerful currents and debris. Never walk or drive through flooded roads. Move to higher ground immediately. Avoid riverbanks and steep slopes during heavy rainfall. If you hear unusual sounds such as cracking trees or shifting soil, evacuate. These may be signs of an imminent landslide. Chapter 5: During an earthquake. If you're indoors, drop. Cover. Hold on. Take cover under a sturdy table. Hold on until the shaking stops. Stay away from windows and heavy furniture. Do not use elevators. If you're outside, move away from buildings and power lines. If driving, pull over safely and stay inside your vehicle. Chapter 6: After the disaster. The danger does not always end when the storm passes. Watch for damaged buildings. Avoid fallen power lines. Use generators only outdoors. Check on elderly neighbors, children, and people with disabilities. Listen to official updates before returning home. If you have emergency training, consider helping your community while following guidance from local authorities. Chapter 7: Building resilient communities. Disaster preparedness is not only about protecting ourselves, it is about protecting one another. Share emergency plans with your family. Teach children what to do during emergencies. Participate in local disaster drills. Volunteer with community preparedness programs if opportunities are available. Prepared communities are stronger communities. Every small action today can make a big difference tomorrow. Final message: natural disasters are part of our world. We cannot stop earthquakes, we cannot stop typhoons, we cannot stop floods, but we can prepare. Preparation replaces fear with confidence. Knowledge replaces panic with action. When we understand what to do, we are better equipped to protect ourselves, our families, and our communities. Stay informed, stay prepared, stay safe. Outro. If you found this documentary helpful, subscribe, like, and share this video. Follow Ekory Explorer to explore Earth's future.